At first glance, it looks too small to even be useful, like something you'd ignore on the road. A compact body, a tiny cab built on a K-class truck. But that's exactly where it surprises you, because inside this small camper is something most people dream of, but never expect to find in something this size. And once you discover the Buddy 108, your idea of a real camper starts to change. This camper is barely longer than a parking space, yet it can sleep 4 people, carry 4 passengers, and function as a real micro-motor home. The Buddy 108 is produced by Tawa Motors, a Japanese manufacturer known for building compact campers for tight roads and limited parking. This model is actually the evolution of their earlier Indy 108 platform, redesigned to make micro-camping more practical, more comfortable, and easier for solo travelers or couples to manage. The entire camper is built on the chassis of the Daihatsu Hijet truck, one of the most common K-trucks in Japan. K-trucks are famous for being extremely compact but surprisingly capable. They're used for farming, delivery, construction, and now increasingly for micro-campers like this. Because of that base vehicle, the Buddy 108 is incredibly small. The overall length is only about 3.39. The width is just 1.48, and the height sits around 1.19 mm when the roof is closed. To put that into perspective, it's shorter than many compact cars and narrow enough to fit comfortably on tight mountain roads or tiny Japanese streets. But that small footprint is exactly the point. This camper is designed for simplicity and maneuverability. One person can drive it easily, park it almost anywhere, and use it without needing the experience required for large motor homes. For many people, especially in dense cities or mountainous regions, that alone makes it a perfect travel companion. And that's exactly where the name Buddy comes from. The exterior design reflects that philosophy. Instead of heavy fiberglass like many larger motorhomes, the body uses lightweight aluminum composite panels. These panels reduce weight while improving insulation. That means the camper stays cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and is easier for the small engine to move efficiently. The cab-over design is another key feature. Rather than extending the body length, the camper shell sits over the cab area. This design maximizes interior space while keeping the vehicle short enough to remain within K-vehicle limits. From the outside, the Buddy 108 has a very clean, modern appearance. Most models come finished in a bright aluminum white or high-gloss gel coat that reflects sunlight and helps maintain temperature. The simple body shape also keeps weight low while making repairs easier if needed. On the passenger side of the camper, you'll find the main entrance door. It includes a large window for visibility and natural light. And behind that window is a built-in screen door. This allows fresh air to enter the cabin while keeping insects out, which is essential when camping in warm environments. Above the living area sits one of the most important features of the entire vehicle, the pop-up roof. When driving, the roof remains closed, keeping the vehicle under 2 meters tall. But once you reach a campsite and lift the roof manually, the interior height increases dramatically. With the roof raised, the interior headroom expands to around 230 meters. That's tall enough for most adults to stand comfortably inside the camper, which is impressive considering how compact the vehicle is when driving. But the pop-up roof isn't just for standing room. It also contains a second sleeping area. The upper bed measures roughly 2,400 millimeters by 1,170 millimeters, which is large enough for 2 adults. The surrounding fabric walls include mesh windows on 3 sides, allowing air to circulate while keeping bugs out. This creates a surprisingly comfortable sleeping loft above the main cabin. Down below, the main cabin transforms into the second bed. Depending on the configuration you choose, the interior layout can be slightly different. The Buddy 108 is typically offered in 2 main layouts, Type S and Type L. The Type S layout uses a face-to-face dinette arrangement. In this configuration, the rear seating area includes 2 benches facing each other with a removable table in the middle. During the day, it functions as a small dining area where 4 people can sit together. The Type L layout takes a slightly different approach. Instead of 2 benches, it uses an L-shaped sofa. This creates a more open interior layout and makes it easier to move gear or luggage in and out through the side entrance. It also creates a lounge-style seating area that many travelers find more relaxing when spending time inside the camper. At night, the table lowers and the seats flatten to form a full-width sleeping platform. Combined with the roof bed above, this setup allows the Buddy 108 to sleep up to 4 people. Regardless of which layout you choose, the interior design is surprisingly warm and inviting. Tawa Motors calls the design theme Cafe Latte. The furniture uses warm brown wood grain surfaces paired with cream-colored cabinet doors and soft upholstery. The goal is to make the tiny interior feel cozy rather than cramped, and in many ways it works. Storage space is carefully integrated throughout the cabin. Overhead cabinets run along the sides and front of the living area, allowing travelers to store smaller items without sacrificing floor space. In the Type L version, large pull-out drawers are built directly under the bench seat. These drawers provide quick access to clothing, camping gear, or cooking equipment. Despite the small size, the camper still includes a compact kitchen. The galley is positioned near the entrance on the passenger side. It features a small sink and a pull-out faucet that serves a dual purpose. Inside the camper, the faucet functions as a normal sink tap, but it can also extend through a window or access port to be used as an outdoor shower. This is incredibly useful for rinsing muddy gear, washing pets, or cleaning off after a hike or beach visit. Water storage is simple but functional. The Buddy 108 typically carries a 13L freshwater tank and a 13L gray water tank. Another important feature is the electrical system. Modern versions of the Buddy 108 can be equipped with a powerful energy package designed for off-grid camping. This system includes a large lithium-ion battery rated around 300 amp. That battery stores enough energy to power lights, appliances, and electronic devices for extended trips. The camper also includes multiple 100-volt outlets and USB charging ports, so you can power laptops, phones, cameras, and other gear. A digital battery monitor from Votronic allows travelers to track energy usage and battery levels in real time. But the real innovation comes from the charging system. TA Motors developed something called the C Superscript 3 package, short for cool, charge, and comfort. This package combines 3 important upgrades into one system. First, it includes a DC-powered cooler or compact air conditioning unit. This allows the camper to maintain comfortable temperatures even when parked in warm environments. Second, it includes the large lithium battery pack we mentioned earlier. And third, it introduces an advanced charging system called EVO. The EVO system allows the battery to recharge quickly using the vehicle's alternator while driving. So, every time you travel to a new destination, the camper's power system replenishes itself automatically. This dramatically reduces the need to connect to external power. However, when you do arrive at a campsite with electrical hookups, the Buddy 108 can connect directly to shore power through an external inlet. Once plugged in, the system can run appliances continuously while also charging the battery. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Buddy 108 starts at roughly 5 million yen for the base 2W Wheel-L drive version. Converted to US, that's around $37,000. Higher spec models equipped with 4-wheel drive and the full C Superscript 3 package cost more depending on the configuration. Compared to large motorhomes that can easily exceed $100,000, the Buddy 108 sits in a much more accessible price range. Of course, it's still not cheap for such a small vehicle, but the price reflects the custom camper construction, specialized insulation, electrical systems, and compact engineering required to make everything fit inside such a small footprint. It's small, but it doesn't feel useless. It's compact, but it still sleeps 4 people. It's lightweight, yet still includes insulation, electricity, a kitchen, and smart storage solutions. And perhaps most importantly, it makes spontaneous travel easy. You don't need a huge parking space, a massive budget, or years of RV driving experience. All you need is a destination and a free weekend, because once the pop-up roof is raised, the table is lowered, and the lights come on inside the tiny cabin, the Buddy 108 stops feeling like a small truck. It starts feeling like exactly what its name suggests. If you found this video helpful, please give like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Who need this video?